What's up, guys? It's your girl Timony and I'm back with another video. I know you're like where I've been, but I've been doing stuff like this, creating wigs like this, and today I am back with another video for you guys to show you guys how I created this highlight wig. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching. So first, I started off with just sectioning off the hair, and then I started with some volume developer from Clairol, just a regular brush, some BW2 bleach from Clairol, some 30 volume developer, and I also threw in some Click Blue by L'Oreal powder. Don't forget to cover your hands, and you guys will see what the aluminum foil is for in a second. So I parted the closure out because I wanted the closure to be the only part that was highlighted. I didn't do highlights all around the whole wig, but you guys will see exactly why. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but this hair was really dark. It was like black almost, like jet black, but you can see that it was a little bit of brown in the hair, but I wanted all the hair to be brown. I didn't want to just have like light highlights and then black hair. So I bleached all the hair so it can be like a nice chocolate brown. And yes, I'm just stopped talking to let you guys watch this process. It's very simple. For this process I used the quick blue bleach only because that's what I had left over before I started on the BW2, which was a new box. And then I didn't want it to bleach so fast, so I used the 30 volume developer mixed with the 40 volume developer, and then when I got to the closure I used all 40 volume developer for the highlights. As y'all can see, it took me forever to get this bleach to the consistency. Whoa. Hold on, I don't know why that word was so hard to pronounce. It took me forever to get the bleach to the consistency that I needed it to be. And I left that part in for you guys to see because it's okay to make mistakes, and you don't just get to like the finished product in 2.5 seconds. Like, you gotta put in the work. So there's gonna be mistakes and all that, but you just gotta keep on going. So I just continued to pour more developer into the powder until I got the consistency that I needed it to be. So this is when I knew I had to start working fast, because literally as soon as I applied the bleach to the hair, it started changing colors already. Like, I had to work fast so that it don't get too late for me. Okay, so when it comes to doing the highlight part, again, you want to make sure that you're protecting your hands, so you're wearing gloves, and then you're gonna need a rat tail comb with the like metal end at the end of the comb. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute, but you can get them from your local beauty supply store. This one with the metal end. You're gonna part out a thin piece of hair. You're gonna take your comb and you're gonna go in a zigzag motion. Kinda, I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing here, but it basically splits that piece in half in like sections, and then you're gonna take the piece of foil and put it under and then apply the bleach like that, and then make sure that you're holding the brush like sideways, like pointing up, so that it can have a gradient effect, so it's just not just like black and then blonde highlights. And then once you finish, you're gonna close the aluminum foil, and then you're gonna move on to another part of the hair. The part that you leave out, that after like when you section out that part, the part that you leave out, you're gonna leave that black, and then you're gonna move on to another part, and then you're gonna move your hand up and down with the comb and part out another section and do the same. I tried to do like a close-up for you guys so you can see you're working like a zigzag motion, and it basically splits that piece into 3 at the bottom or 3 at the top, or however much. Mine's is mainly coming out with 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom, and then you're gonna repeat that process all the way through. But you have to work fast because, like I said, I'm using 40 volume developer, and it changes colors really fast, and I didn't want one side to be lighter than the other side. Plus, when you put aluminum foil, it changes it really, really quickly. So yeah, just make sure that you're moving the brush and you're making it like a gradient effect so you don't have a line of demarcation. Then you're gonna remove the aluminum foil and wash the hair out with purple shampoo. The purple shampoo that I'm using is the L'Oreal Ever Pure sulfate free purple shampoo. It's for toning violet, orange, and red tones. Yeah, so after I did that, I just washed the hair with purple shampoo. Then I conditioned it with silicone mix, let the hair sit overnight to dry. Well, actually, no, I didn't. I blow dried the hair, I believe. You guys will see it, but I think I blow dried the hair. And then, yeah, so I'll come back after that process is finished. Just make sure that you move fast, but still try not to make mistakes, and it will come out something like this. To the styling process, I just went in and like took off all the straight hairs by just plucking, and then I plucked the hairline that you guys will see. If you guys want to end up plucking tutorial, I can definitely give you guys one of that. I had an old one on my channel, but now I definitely pluck like completely different. So yeah, if you guys just want that, you can definitely leave that in the comments, and I will get that video out for you guys very, very soon. So I went in, I plucked it, I flat ironed, I hot combed, laid the hair flat, laid down all the flyaways, which this way had a lot of flyaways, but it's okay. As you can see, as you guys will see at the end, I got all those flyaways to lay down, and the install came out amazing. The only thing I forgot to do for you guys was to film the whole entire install, but I did make like a few boomerangs just to post on my social media, so I inserted those into the video at the end so you guys could just see how the install process went. Yeah, so I'm gonna just let you guys watch the whole video. Thank you guys for supporting. Thank you guys for continuing to watching all my videos and running those views up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.